We are going to be together for the next 7 weeks. Some things you need to know about these lectures. First, you're going to get up-to-date expert advice that you will actually be able to use moving forward. Each week, the lecture will be broken up into parts. We do know that you are busy. We totally recognize that, so they will be manageable chunks. The material in the lectures will not be gone over in seminar and lab. We will be building upon it. One very important thing to note, somewhere within the lecture, you will be asked to take action. There will be some sort of relevant assignment to do. I ask that you don't share what it is with your friends, as they need to hear the lecture content themselves, so they too can learn and grow. You don't want to be the cause of your friend not getting important information that could positively impact their chance of success, would you? So watch, listen, and do the take action assignment. Grades will be given for these. And just to reassure you, not all the lectures are going to be PowerPoints like this one. Now, to get started, today we're going to be looking at career planning and development, not just for upon graduation, but for over your career lifespan. I know that this topic can be scary. The goal here is to break it down into easy steps, manageable chunks. Previously, people were able to start their career at one company. They often grew within that company and got promoted. They then stayed with them, just that one employer, until retirement. This would be extremely unusual today. There are 3 development concepts we're going to look at. There are time frames for each of them. Career matching. What jobs are there out there? What educational requirements are there? Can I picture myself doing that? Do I even want to do that? Am I capable of learning how to do that? These are some of the questions that I ask myself. They are personal questions. So if you ask yourself those questions, you need to probably take some time, pause, and think. Do your skills and abilities match with the available work and educational opportunities? For career development, as your life develops, so do your career issues and needs. They can be influenced by your age, by the stages of your development. So, I started my career. What issues have arisen? Have my needs changed? What am I going to do about it? Do I need to change career direction, or am I happy with what I'm doing currently? What would fit my lifestyle better at this stage? Career responsiveness is about being aware of what's happening around us. It's about noting changes in the labor market, thinking about what's happening out there. Might I get laid off? What's my plan B? Have I even thought about a plan B? Staying aware and adapting, preparing for change can help you make knowledgeable decisions with career changes. It's better to be proactive. Don't let life just happen. Then you have to be reactive. It is much more stressful to be reactive than to be proactive and planning and being aware of the changes that are happening. When we take a look at the career development cycle, you may already be familiar with at least part of it, based on your decision-making process when choosing your college program. Hopefully you took the time to consider your likes and your interests and your capabilities. Have a little self-awareness when you were considering what program you were going to take. What it is that you would like to do. Maybe you had to picture yourself in the role. What can I see myself actually doing and enjoying? We spend a lot of time of our lives at work. You may have researched a number of colleges. What programs did they have to offer? How much will it cost me? That's often a really big deciding factor. And probably the most important one, is there a good chance of me actually finding work when I'm done? Now, the building your brand part might be new for you. Maybe you haven't thought about this one yet. I do have to say that we will definitely be looking at this in greater depth in the coming weeks. Something to start thinking about now, though, in this regard, would be, what makes me unique? What added value can I bring to an employer? And then it's about reflecting and planning. And that can include goal setting. And we will definitely be talking about that shortly. This week, we'll be working on type focus assessments to help you further understand your personality, your interests, and your values. Each one of you are unique, and you have your own personal brand to develop. Learning more about yourself can help you build your confidence and know what skills and strengths you have that you will be able to promote to an employer.